Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use the camera to detect live text from a piece of paper or from a mobile screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, before we can use the camera to detect text, first we need to activate the feature. To do so, from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, I'm going to go back to the My Settings page. And then we scroll down and tap on Camera. Next in here, tap on Show Detected Text. Make sure the toggle button is switched on. Then we swipe up to go back to the home screen. And from here, launch the camera app. Next, point the camera at the text that you want to capture. And shortly after, you can see there is a text button. So here, if you point at a text, when the camera detects the subject has text on it, it will show the text icon. Simply tap on it, and the phone will capture. So here you can see there is a selection box. Make sure it is selected where you want to capture the text. So I'm trying to capture right there. So I'm just going to put the camera right there. Then tap on that text button. Alright, once the text has been selected, you can then choose select all, you can copy, or you can translate it. So here, select the text, then tap on the right arrow. From here, you can translate or share that piece of text. Or you can copy it to the clipboard. So another piece of text is this mobile screen. So here I've got the mobile screen. I can then capture it. So here I put the camera at that text, then capture it. And from here, I can then select that piece of text. And then I can translate. I can use translate to translate to another language. I can share it. So if I want, I can share it. So tap on the share button, and then you can share it to your notes. Or you can share it to another app. And here, from here, once it is converted to digital format, you can then edit it. And that's it. That is how you can use the camera to detect text and how you can copy it to the clipboard or onto another app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.